Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be creating this Days Until Christmas countdown using Dollar Tree products. For this project, you're going to need to purchase one of these signs from the Dollar Tree. I went ahead and sanded it down, and then I also filled in these holes with the lightweight spackle, also from the Dollar Tree. You can use Dollar Tree paint. I went ahead and just used what I had on hand, but you can definitely make this a 100% Dollar Tree product by using the Dollar Tree paint. So I just started off by putting down a layer of just regular acrylic paint. I definitely could have used the back side of this board if I wanted to, but I don't know, I just thought I would use the front, that way the back was just plain. I'm not really sure what my logic was, but you can definitely use the back if you want to skip the step of like having to sand it down and all that. But I'm just putting down a base layer of paint right here. Here in a little bit, I'm going to go back over it with chalk paint. But I just chose to do this, that way I wasn't using as much chalk paint. You guys know that chalk paint is a little bit more expensive than the acrylic paint. If you use the back side, I think you might be able to skip this step.
I always thought that love was made for me. Oh well, I was just as blue-eyed as the sky could ever be. Loving you has made me realize I'm so tired of love songs, life never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to. I've heard every cliche there is, and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs, I'm sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of love songs.
Next, I'm going to put down a layer of my Waverly chalk paint. I chose to do it in this color right here. I kind of like it because it kind of looks like a whitewash once I'm done with it, but you can definitely use any color chalk paint that you like, and I guess you don't even have to use chalk paint. I just like the way that it looked, so just any color paint would work, but I think chalk paint looks best.
Tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. Ooh, sick and tired of you. I'm so tired of love songs that never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone to help me through. I've heard every cliche there is, and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs, sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you.
Now I'm just putting down some of this Scotch tape to make some lines to make it look like they're real wood panels.
Still got your pearls.
For this, I'm just going to use a slightly lighter color, and then once I'm done with this, I'm going to go back and I'm going to dry brush all over it to make it look like real wood.
I never knew love could be so sweet. I never knew it would sting. I never knew love like this would leave me in pieces. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily. I can't believe it's already over. Too late to talk and fix whatever's broken. I always thought love like ours would last. I never knew love could pass. Tomorrow comes and you are not around.
time to go ahead and add on the letters and the numbers. I do have a Cricut machine, so I went ahead and cut them out. But I think a really great option for this would be those gold transfers they sell at the Dollar Tree. But Dollar Tree has a ton of options as far as letters and numbers go. But I was kind of thinking in particular, those gold transfers, you guys may know what I'm talking about. I thought they would look really, really great. You would, of course, need several packages, but I think that they would make an awesome project.
Jump into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town, I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young, it doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like, you look so beautiful. And I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Talking about yourself and you make me smile. I can listen all night long. I tell you about the time when I first met you, listening to our favorite song. Walking on the street when you caught my eye, something about the way you move. No, there ain't nobody like. So lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. Jump into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town, I've never seen a sky so blue.
I almost skipped this step, but I was really worried that after some time the vinyl might start coming up a little bit. So I decided to go ahead and use some matte Mod Podge. I decided to stick with the matte, that way I wasn't running the look of the chalk paint too much. But you could definitely skip this step. I'm not sure how well it would stay on. It might have been perfectly fine, but I didn't really want to take any chances after working so hard on it, so I do decide to go ahead and use some Mod Podge.
Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you.
From the Dollar Tree, you're going to want to pick up this picture hanging kit. You will need to get 2 packs, that way you will have 25 nails, and you're just going to start nailing in the nails right above each number.
On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, Nothing's complicated with you. Hey, we're playing songs on the radio. Sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. You say that I'm crazy. It's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again.
You're also going to need a miniature wreath. I picked this one up from the Target dollar spot, but Dollar Tree does have these mini wreaths on some of their ornaments, so you could just buy an ornament and pull off the wreath. I'm now going to add on some greenery to the top. I actually picked this up at Walmart. It was 97 cents, and I think the quality of it is amazing. Again, you could make it 100% Dollar Tree by using some Dollar Tree greenery. I'm attaching it with some twine, and I just wrap it around it, and then I create a little bow, attaching it with hot glue.
On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Be with you is like being.
Next, you're going to take some of this nautical rope that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and you're going to use it as a hanger. I just used my screw gun and I made some holes in the top. Honestly, you guys, if I was to do this over, I would have made the holes a little bit further apart, but I do think it turned out fine. You're just going to stick it through and then create a knot on the front side. I think it looks really cute and rustic this way. You could always put the knot behind, but I think the knots look the best in front.
Got a little crush on you. I met him on a sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I told him I want that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire.
Alright you guys, so there you have it. It is finished. I think it looks wonderful. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!
Drifting away from each other, didn't wanna let